Welcome back guys, I'm Katie with Panic Knife Doll, and I just wanted to make this quick video because just as I did with the beta, I had trouble starting Crysis 3. Every time I tried to launch the game, I received an error message saying Crysis 3 has stopped working. There were a few different things I tried, but after speaking with customer service from Origin, we finally figured it out. I have 10 possible solutions for you guys, and I'm going to take you through all the steps. I'm pretty confident that at least one of them will work for you, so let's get started with the basics. Number 1, update your graphic card drivers. To do this, you need to open up your browser. In the address bar, type in nvidia.com, assuming you have NVIDIA graphics card. In the left top corner, you will see Drivers tab. Click on it and select GeForce drivers. Now you'll have a choice between automatic driver detection or manual driver search. If you're not sure what kind of graphics card you have, just go ahead and hit the automatic driver detection button. It'll take a few minutes and it'll find the correct drivers for you. Or you can go through the manual driver search, just type in the graphics card model. In my case, I have GTX 580, so I'm going to select the GeForce 500 series. Then make sure to put in what kind of Windows you have, the preferred language, and hit search. Next, you should get a green box that says Agree and Download. Click on the download drivers and follow the on-screen directions to install them. Number 2, try updating Windows. You can click on your Start button. In the search box, type in Windows Update. Click Windows Update. After the update is complete, restart your computer. Number 3, clean out your temp folder. You can do this by clicking on the Start button. In the search box, type in %temp% and hit Enter. A window should open up. Select everything in the temp folder by hitting Ctrl-A and delete everything. Number 4, check your firewall to make sure it's allowing the game to get through. In the search box, type Allow a program through Windows Firewall. Scroll down the list and find Crysis 3 and make sure the boxes to the right-hand side are checked. Then hit OK. Number 5, make sure to disable any antivirus that you may have running on your PC to see if that's interfering with the game. Number 6, after speaking with customer service from Origin, they told me the game is having a lot of issues running on solid-state drive, so if you have an option to install it on optical drive, you should select that. Number 7, you should try to do a clean boot. This is what worked for me. So in order to perform it, you need to press and hold the Windows key followed by the R key to open up the Run window. In the Run window, type MSCONFIG, then hit OK. At this point, you should now see the System Configuration dialog box. Click on the General tab, choose the Selective Startup option, uncheck the Load Startup Items box. Open the Services tab, check the Hide All Microsoft Services option at the bottom of the tab. Click the Disable All button, and then when prompted, restart your computer. Number 8, if you're using Cyborg gaming lights, make sure they are disabled. To do this, you need to open AMBX Control Panel. Go under Configure AMBX Software, find Crysis 3 by scrolling down the list. Uncheck the box that says Enable AMBX, then press OK. Number 9, if nothing has worked so far, I suggest going into Origin, click on My Games, right-click on Crysis 3, and hit Repair Install. Number 10, finally make sure you don't have any unnecessary programs running in the background prior to launching the game. I use DxStory to record all my gameplays, and I noticed if I start the program before I launch the game, Crysis 3 crashes. So make sure to start the game first, then hit Alt-Control-Delete so you can get back to the desktop without ending the game. Normally you would just hit the Windows key, but this doesn't work in the game. Then you should be able to start any program, for example DxStory. Once you get back in the game, everything should work just fine. And that's pretty much it. Those were all the steps that I did. You might not have to go through all of them for it to start working, so I would suggest checking if the game works after each step that you try. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If you have something that worked for you that isn't on the list, let us know in the comment section below. It's frustrating to have problems like this when you're just trying to get started, so it can be very helpful to others. Have fun playing Crysis 3, I know I will. Like this video if you enjoyed. Thanks for watching Panic Knife Doll, and we'll see you next time.